You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to summarize a web page using AI on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, ensure you are using the Samsung Internet browser. Navigate to the web page you want to summarize. Once the page is loaded, look at the bottom of your screen for the navigation bar. Tap the AI icon, which is a small star or sparkle symbol located in the bar. This opens the AI menu. From the options presented, select Summarize or Text Summary. The AI will now quickly analyze the content of the web page. In just a few seconds, it will generate a concise summary of the key points and main ideas from the article. The summary will appear in a clean, easy-to-read pop-up window on your screen. You can read it right there. For longer summaries, you can scroll within this window. If you want to save or share this summary, tap the three-dot menu icon within the summary pop-up. You will have options to copy the text to your clipboard or share it directly to another app like Notes or email. This feature is perfect for quickly understanding long articles or news stories. For more simple Samsung tutorials, subscribe to the channel.